Previously, we said if an angle is formed by rotating the terminal side counterclockwise direction, then the angle will be positive. Like in this case, angle AOB or angle alpha is 30 degrees, which is positive angle. But the angle can also be formed by in the clockwise direction, like this, from OA to OB. Okay, from here rotate to this spot. That will be negative 150 degrees. Apparently, you can rotate OA in this direction and stop at OB. Okay, so here is beta, angle beta. So it rotates like this. So then this angle will be 210 degrees. 210 plus 150 is 360 degrees. The one circle is 360 degrees. Okay, so this angle, this terminal side is here, but it can be obtained through rotating positive 210 degrees counterclockwise, or this OB can also be obtained by rotating the terminal side clockwise direction with 150 degrees, so you'll get negative angle. So in this case, angle can be positive or negative. It can also be beyond 360 degrees. If you look at this case, you see previously it was 30 degrees. You add one more circle on that. Okay, that will be 30 degrees plus 360 is 390 degrees. You can add another circle. Okay, so 390 plus 360, you will have like 750 degrees. 750 degrees. So then the angle will be greater than 360 degrees. Okay, of course, here this angle, terminal side OB, can be obtained like from here to here, or you can do one more circle. Okay, you can do one more circle. All right. There is a reason for us to do the angles in positive, negative direction or beyond 360 degrees. Here is the actual case. You see in the sport, athlete, they can rotate one circle. They can rotate two circles or three circles. Okay, you can see this one. Circles. You can count 3 circles. Okay. Yeah. And also mathematically, we have a pulley. Let's say one is the driving pulley, another is the driven pulley. Okay, we want to study the relationship between the amount of rotating between the big pulley and the small pulley. Okay, you can see that. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, you can see they also rotate clockwise in the negative direction. Okay, you see this when you open your car hood, you will see that. Okay, mathematically we want to study this kind of movement. So it will be convenient for us to introduce angles greater than 360 and angles who are positive and negative. Okay. Now, sometimes in order to study conveniently, we like to put the initial side on the x-axis. We do it in this way. So you see the origin. You will put your vertex of the angle on the origin. Align the initial side on the positive direction of the x-axis. Okay. Yeah. And then the angle B in this case will be called the first quadrant angle because the terminal side is in the first quadrant. Okay. Similarly, you can put this vertex on the origin of the xy coordinate plane. Okay. Yeah. And then, the initial side will be on the positive direction all the time on the x-axis. And then this terminal side is in the quadrant 3. 1, 2, 3. This is 4. So quadrant 3 then is going to be quadrant 3 angle. Okay. But there are cases is that sometimes the terminal side will be on the y or x-axis. In that case, it's going to be called quadrant angle. Okay, so the quadrant angle is the angle with the terminal size, with the terminal side on the either x or y axis. That will be called quadrant angle. Okay. Those are the basic concepts. I will see you later with more concepts.